Hello, I'm Kevin Partner from makeyourown.candles.co.uk and crackerwoodcandles.co.uk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make woodwick candles, such as this one. Now you can see that we use a round woodwick that we call chimney woodwicks, which we import from the US. Benefit of that is as you can see, a round woodwick is the same shape as the container, and most containers in which we're going to make candles will be round. What that means is you get a round flame, and because you get a round flame you get even burning all the way around. Now the wicks come like this in plastic sheaths, and we import them from America, which we then cut to size. We can usually get either 3 or 4 depending on how deep our candle is out of one of these. And so all you need in order to make the candles is one of these, your wax, your tin, in our case your labels, and your scent. And also you need one of these, and this is a furniture screw that we've tested and works perfectly for holding the chimney woodwick in place. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got my tin there. That takes 80 grams of wax. First thing to do, I've actually already melted it because we use an induction hob for melting our small batches, and it's noisy, so I've already melted it and turned it off. So what we would do is cut the wick to size. I've already got one here. And then what you need to do is scrunch it up a bit and then take your furniture screw and pop it in there. What that will do is, because that's quite heavy, we can drop that in after the wax has poured, and that's essential because you can't put it in advance because you need the wax to go up the middle in order for this to burn properly. So this is now melted. Here's my scent, using 8 mils because I've got a 10% scent load. I'm going to pour that in there. Normally, of course, I would be making lots of these at once, but just for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to be making the one. So give it a really good stir. Make sure that it's properly distributed. Then what you do is just pour it in. One pour, because this is container wax. Then you take the wick and you just drop it in the middle. And that is basically it. Wait for that to completely set and then apply stickers so that you get the end result like this. Obviously you may have your own stickers, but that's how ours looks. And in this case this has a lovely rose scent, which is very popular. Okay, so that's it, one pour and it's done. So you could have, a dozen of these. You could be doing a dozen of these at once and actually be extremely productive, get lots done at once. Okay, so that's it. Enjoy your Crackerwood candles.